Hello students, today we're going to learn about a Chinese electronics manufacturer company, Oppo Electronics. Let us know this company in a much better way. Oppo is a global technology brand with a long history of serving customers in North America, Europe and Asia. It is an electronics manufacturer based in Dongguan, Guangdong, China. Its major product lines includes MP3 players, portable media players, LCD TVs, e-books, DVD Blu-ray disc players and mobile phones. Founded in 2004, the company has registered the Oppo brand name in many parts of the world. Oppo uses only the highest quality components available on the market. Alliances with the leading international partners ensure that they have the latest and the best hardware available. With a uniquely independent R&D capacity, they design, develop, manufacture, market and sell their products themselves. Oppo is the leading enterprise in Chinese electronic information industry with headquarters and production base set in Chang'an. It is the highest taxpayer of Chang'an. Established in September 1995, the company covers more than 10 hectares of factory buildings and has more than 17,000 employees. The company has 2 branches and 1 subsidiary. Guangdong Oppo Mobile Communication Technology Corporation Limited specializes in research and development, production and sales of smart mobile phone, digital player including Oppo mobile phones, MP3, MP4 and electronic book, etc. Oppo achieved sales worth 9.3 billion yuan. Of this, in 2010, 11 million mobile phones including Oppo were sold, achieving the sales of 7.39 billion yuan with a year-on-year increase of 110%. The amount of mobile phones sold in the domestic market and the volume of sales ranked it first as the highest taxpayer. 323 million yuan were paid in tax. From January to September in 2010, Oppo company achieved the sales of 9 billion yuan, registering a year-on-year growth of 55%, in which Oppo mobile phone achieved the sales worth 4.5 billion yuan, registering a year-on-year growth of 73%. Oppo entered the mobile phone market in 2008. Oppo Find 7. The Oppo Find 7 is a phablet with a total of 3 GB of RAM and a 2.5 GHz quad-core processor. The Oppo Find 7 is also available in another variant called the Find 7A, which has a 1080p screen and 2 GB of RAM compared to the Find 7, which sports higher specs. Oppo R5. The Oppo R5, available from November 2014, is described as the world's thinnest smartphone. It is 4.85 mm in thickness, except for a slight bulge where the camera lens is located. The R5 has a 2000 mAh battery which can be charged up to 75% in 30 minutes using a rapid charger. The R5 uses a Snapdragon 615 octa-core processor running at 2.1 GHz. One of Oppo's older phones, the Finder, previously held the record for the world's thinnest smartphone. Oppo Find 5. The Oppo Find 5 was released in America in February 2013. The Oppo Find 5 features clean lines, thin rectangular shape and overall elegant appearance. The Oppo Find 5 features a pixel density of 441 ppi, which puts it in the highest range of the mobile phones with HD display at its release time. In July 2013, a refreshed Oppo Find 5 was launched in China. The processor has been changed to Snapdragon 600 instead of the Snapdragon S4 Pro. The Android version has been updated to Android 4.2.2 as well, while other specifications remained the same. Other smartphones Oppo produced are the U705T, U-Like2, U701 U-Like, R610, R811 Real, R817 Real, R819 and R819T and the T29. So students, we got to know about the various aspects of Oppo Electronics. We went through the company's history to its present scenario. Hope the information about the company was useful and have a good day ahead.